Shelli, Annie Parker Confidential. Okay, I'm super excited to have you here today. We have my makeup artist, Kelsey Long, here today. Kelsey is the go-to makeup artist for a number of very high-profile influencers in the market space. She's the girl you go to, and I feel really, really lucky to have her. So we are going to do a 10-minute summer makeup, and then we're going to add a couple extra little things and take us into evenings. And Kelsey is going to give you all her little tips and tricks. So come on back and watch us get our makeup done. Okay guys, we're back and we're going to start with our 15-minute summer makeup. Kelsey, how do we start with makeup for summer every day?
I'm starting with it's considered a hydrating primer. It is MAC Strobe Cream. I don't know if you can see with the light, but this is one of my favorite products. It's not overly hydrating, so I don't want people who have oilier skins to be afraid of it. It has this beautiful illuminated glow to it. I believe there are 3 different tones that it has. I usually just stick with the original, which is a pink tone, but it has that opalescent sheen. It's a really healthy glow. It's a great base, great primer. My go-to for literally every skin type. You can see Shelli's got great skin anyway, but it just illuminated. It looks natural. Some people like just putting this on and just going, and more power to you.
Now she's just going over lightly with a little foundation. So we want to, okay, that is my dog snoring in the background. So we're going to want to, if we're going day to evening, you want to start the day with an SPF like under 30. Otherwise, if you're getting your picture taken, it shows like
it bounces light back.
It bounces light back.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah. I think it's really important to have a little bit of a bronzy glow.
We love bronzer.
We love bronzer.
So where are you placing it?
Right where the top of the ear is.
Yep.
That's usually where I start, and then I work towards the center of the face.
Towards the center.
Buffing motions. I think brows are super important. I'm just going to fill in any spots that might seem a little sparse.
So we're defining the eyes with our brows.
And color-wise, that it matches. If the color's off, then you look a little funky.
So brows are definitely not the step to leave out. They're really important because it defines the face, it defines your eyes, and it just gives a really nice polished look without looking too overdone. So we've done primer, a little foundation, a little bit of bronzer, my brows, and now what's next?
I'm just gonna do just a touch of liner, but I'm just gonna do the top and then just a touch underneath the eye. I do blend my eyeliner though, so it's kind of smudged. It'll be softer. You don't want a harsh line. So mascara.
Last but not least, we're doing lips. What do you recommend for lips for the day?
I usually go with a gloss. Buxom makes the best as far as I'm concerned. But this color in particular is called Claire. It is my favorite color. It's a plumping gloss. It's going to enhance your natural lip color without looking like you're all done up.
So she's using a color that is essentially matching my natural lip color. I found some of my favorite lip colors from Kelsey. A lot of the lip colors that she uses are really inexpensive, but they are amazing little finds. I've also used NYX that you can get on Amazon, NYX. They have like a million different colors and they're only like $4 or $5. That's another good find. And then finally, okay, she loves this and so do I. I found this through Kelsey. This is our final step and it's a setting spray.
So this is All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray. It is the best. You can't beat it.
She did a huge wedding. It was like really flippin' ass hot and she used All Nighter on the brides and the bridesmaids and she said it lasted all day and into the night when they were dancing, that stuff. And I gotta tell you, it is good. And there we go. That's nice, Kelsey. I mean, so ladies, it only took her 10 minutes and we were done. Okay, so we're going to go into evening. Kelsey's going to add just a few super simple steps to take it from day into looking polished, but still amazing for evening.
Yep.
All right, good. All right, let's do it.
This is Lorac. It's got the bronzy colors that Shelli loves. I'm going to do Unsweetened and the Unplugged. unsweetened is going to go on the outer corner. That's just to contour, kind of enhance her eye shape. And then the unplugged, I'm just going to dab a little on the center of the eye.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take a little of the unplugged, that shimmery shade. It's going to add the bronziness. And we're just going to do the center of the lid. Right at the center where we placed it.
Now we're just going to add a little more liner.
Yes.
That thing's happening.
So we're going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in black. Oh, Perversion is the name. Of
course it is.
We're going to do the inside waterline, and then I might just add a little on the outer corner as well. Now I'm going to do a little cream blush.
So see, that just gave me a nice little pop of color and a nice little flush for evening. Okay, so now she's going to do a little bit of, this is the Laura Mercier setting powder.
The translucent setting powder. Pretty, subtle, easy.
Okay, and then we're just gonna finish it off with a bit of a darker lip color. You can do red, you can do whatever you want. She's gonna do a dark berry on me because I happen to like that.
I'm gonna use Burgundy lip pencil from MAC.
Okay, so she took the lip pencil, and I don't know if you could see when she was talking. So she just brought it up kind of in the center of my lip because it gives a little more dimension to the lips, and it makes the other sides that don't have the dark going up the middle look a little more prominent and plump. So it gives it a little more of a pouty look.
Exactly. I'm gonna spray it one more time.
I love this. This looks good. All right, so this is my evening look. And like Kelsey said, if you want to add some lashes, which I probably normally would do too, because you know how I like my lashes, but this is super easy. You know, she's just going to set me with a little more of the nighttime finishing spray so that I can, you know, go crazy.
It looks polished, it still looks pretty.
I love it.
It looks like you put enough effort into it without being over the top. So,
because we hate being over the top. Kelsey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So you guys, I have Kelsey's Instagram down below, so be sure to check her out and follow her. She's amazing. And for all things health, wellness, beauty, style, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel, follow me on the blog at aparkerconfidential.com, and all.